Good afternoon, friends. I am before you with another topic, which is in the slaves of Advocate on Record Examination of Supreme Court of India. I am Advocate Ashok Arora, friend of all, and now be settled. I am starting my topic. The name of the case law is Shakti Vahini versus Union of India 2018. Why this case is significant? Because this case addressed the issue of honor killing and forced marriages, particularly in the context of intercaste and interfaith marriages. This case arose when the petitioners Shakti Vani, which is an NGO working on human rights issues, sought the intervention of the Honorable Supreme Court of India to protect young couples from violence or harm due to their decision to marry against the wishes of their family members. So let us dive into the facts of the case. We all know in many parts of India, individuals, especially women, face violence and even death from their families or communities for marrying outside their caste or religion. Such killings, often referred to as honor killings, occur due to societal pressure to maintain traditional caste or religious boundaries. These violent actions are justified by the perpetrators under the belief that the family's honor has been tarnished by the choice of marriage. The petitioners argued that there was an urgent need for protection of couples who are vulnerable to honor killing and sought the Supreme Court's intervention to secure their safety. So, the key issues before the Honorable Court were the primary legal issues, we can say, were before the court. First one was protection of intercaste and interfaith couples from the threat of violence. Second was to discuss the issue of law enforcement agencies and to guide them in ensuring the safety and security of such couples. Third one was the need for legal safeguard against honor killing and coercive actions taken by the families or communities. So, in this case, the Honorable Supreme Court while giving its judgment, also issued directions. So, we are delving into that. Let us explore them. Firstly, the court reaffirmed the fundamental right of individuals to marry according to their choice, regardless of caste, religion, or social status. This is part of right to personal liberty under Article 21 of the Constitution, mean to say right to life and personal liberty. The judgment underscored that the law should protect individuals who choose their partners freely. The court emphasized the role of state and law enforcement agencies in protecting couples who face threat or violence due to their decision to marry. It directed the authorities to ensure safety of couples and take preventive steps to stop honor-based violence. The court issued specific guidelines to police authorities to act swiftly in such cases. The first direction was police stations were directed to take cognizance of the complaints filed by the intercaste or interfaith couples who are under threat. The court instructed the police to give immediate protection to couples facing such a threat, including by providing shelter and legal assistance if needed. The authorities were asked to develop a mechanism for providing prompt and adequate protection to couples who are facing a threat or harm or violence. The court directed that any complaint about honor-based violence or threats against couples should be registered by the police without delay, and that such matter should be treated with seriousness and urgency. The court also recognized the specific vulnerability that women face in cases of forced marriages or honor killings, urging a gender-sensitive approach in the protection of such individuals. The court directed the state government and union territories to implement measures aimed at preventing honor killing and other forms of violence related to caste or religious-based opposition to marriage. So now let us discuss significance of the judgment. This case, Shakti Vahini, strengthened the legal framework for protecting the rights to choose one's partner, life partner, reinforcing the principles of individual autonomy in marital decisions. It was victory for personal freedom and gender equality, particularly in a country where deeply entrenched social norms often dictate the choices people, especially women, can make regarding marriage. The court direction also provided a legal and institutional framework for the protection of vulnerable couples and called for greater accountability from the law enforcement agencies in case of honor-based violence. It marked an important step towards reducing honor killing in India by recognizing them as a grave violation of human rights and a challenge to personal liberty. So, friends, I am concluding by this uh, topic on important case law by saying that Shakti Vani versus Union of India case is a landmark decision that reasserted the constitutional right of individuals to make their own decisions about marriage without fear of violence. The judgment provided essential legal safeguards to protect intercaste and interfaith couples from honor-based violence while highlighting the need for protective state and police involvement in safeguarding these rights. This case underscored the importance of promoting social changes and ensuring the safety and dignity of the individuals choosing their life partners. So, friends, this is all about on this topic. I am again in next video will explain another topic, case law, which is in the syllabus of advocate on record examination. So have a nice day. Enjoy your day.